You can personalize and enhance your internet browsing by adding extensions to Microsoft Edge. Select Settings and More in the menu bar, then Extensions. See what extensions you have installed, and get new extensions. You can search or browse, select what you want, like Microsoft Editor, and learn more about the extension. Select Get, review the permissions, and add extension. And it's added. To manage all extensions, select Settings and More, then Extensions. You can view, remove, or turn off any extension.